So when I talk to a lot of business owners out there, and we're talking about end of the year, a lot of companies are on a fiscal year end that matches the year end. So we're coming into 2024. And I'm hearing a lot of missed targets. Yeah, they might have had a couple of salespeople hit the targets that they set out, but a lot of people are coming underneath those targets. And that's having an impact on the business. In fact, some of the business owners I'm talking to are talking about laying people off, not bringing some people back. Well, that always, that's not great. And that means we're shrinking, not growing. If that's happening in your business, we have a prospecting workshop coming up in January that I think could help your team, where we're going to work with your organization around, how to build a prospecting process, how to build proper lists, how to really dig into, connecting with strangers using various tools, everything from the telephone to LinkedIn, so that you have more of those meaningful conversations that then allow you to uncover opportunities you may not have uncovered before. That's going to allow your team to hit your targets. If that sounds like a problem that your organization would like to solve, join us at our next prospecting workshop.